British ki loilam sasandagi India ningtamle haiduna Indian National Army INA na ningtamba India gi lamaida ahanba oina India gi machu ahumgi firal ihan hana Manipur gi Moirang da pahenkhibagi 81 anniversary of flag hosting day INA War Museum kam Library Moirang da Pangthokhre Department of Art and Culture Government of Manipur na sinduna ngarang pangthokhiba thorumgi saruk ama oina India Peace Memorial Maibam Lotpa Chingdagi Horaga Ajad Hind Force ki Tricolor Flag Thetpa Biker Chama Henbana Moirang Tamna Laklaga Lamthungpham Oiduna Mapung Oiba Anniversary Thoramdu Hogdoki Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bala na Moirang Kanglada India ki Tricolor Flag Chingkhatlaba matung Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki mitamda laishu katki Governor Ajay Kumar Bala na phongdokhibada Manipur na India ki art and culture history gi oiba machakyada maru oiba mafam ama oiri INA na India gi firal ahanba oina yungkhiba Moirang asisu culture gi capital amani haina singtharaduna hojik thokliba irang asina nungai tabakra thoklagasu INA na ningtamna ba honakiba adu ningsingduna thongna lingjel aikoi masel amata oina punsinduna apunbagi saktam ningsingduna santi leiba ingtapa marasetpa lamdam ama oiba oina naba honeminesi haiki
I also extend a warm welcome of Deputy IG.
To the distinguished, respected Dr.
Musium and Netaji Research Bureau continues to document, conserve and share these rich legacies for future generations. Today, Manipur stands as a proud contributor to India's strength. From its rich cultural heritage to its brave sons and daughters in the armed forces, Manipur continues to uphold the values of courage, sacrifice and unity. General Himala Singh was telling me that Moirang is also the cultural capital of the state, and local singers who sang the song in Hindi so well, it really sort of raises your goosebumps. I mean, people can sing so nicely in Hindi also. At the same time, we must also acknowledge the challenges we are facing, whether it's need of greater harmony, more opportunities for our youth, stronger connectivity across regions. Let's take inspiration from INA's fearless march and renew our pledge to work together for a peaceful, prosperous and united Manipur.